Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Everything was working fine for me until today when this error popped up out of nowhere. Naturally, my first thought was to restart my phone. But that didn't fix it. I'm using a dual SIM Android phone, and after doing some research online, I found a super easy fix that resolved this issue in less than a minute. Let's jump right into it. First, open your phone settings. Tap on Network and Internet. Tap SIMs. Now, locate the SIM card that you are not using for mobile data. In my case, since I use my smart SIM for data, I'm going to tap on my Globe SIM. Toggle off the switch and select Turn Off to temporarily deactivate it. With the SIM turned off, go back to your network menu and turn on your mobile hotspot. And as you can see, the error is gone and the hotspot is now active. Now grab your other device and connect to your hotspot to confirm your internet connection is working. Remember to tap on your other SIM and turn it back on. And that's it. If this trick solved the problem for you, please give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment if this worked on your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.